sorry. Now to introduce the number 2. Once the child is thorough with 1, you say, this cup is for mama and this cup is for baby. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 2 cups. 2 cups. 2 cups. You can then move it out of the way and get the stones. This stone is mama's and this is baby's. 2 stones. 2 stones. 2 stones. 1 and 2. 2 stones. As you can see, I'm only using the word 2. Only at this time did I say 1 and 2. But it is preferable that you see 2 as 2 and 1 as 1. So you don't have to say 1 and 2 also. You can just look at the object and say 2 stones. Thank you.